Hello, art lovers. Welcome back to Tattoo 18. Today we're creating a bold tribal lion tattoo on my client's forearm. Some people say tribal tattoos are old school, and I say exactly. Just like biryani and mom's advice, they never go out of style. A tribal lion may be old, but it still roars louder than many modern designs. For this tattoo, I'm using a 3-round liner long needle for the crisp outlines and a 7-round shader for smooth filling. My black ink of choice is Dynamic Black, proudly made in the USA. For those striking red highlights, I'm using Eternal Lipstick Dark Red. And powering everything is my trusted Deutschland rotary machine, which gives me smooth and consistent performance throughout the session. Now here's a useful tip for beginners. While doing lining work, I usually keep my machine running at around 8 volts with a 4mm stroke. This combination helps the needle glide smoothly over the skin and makes pulling clean, confident lines much easier. Of course, every artist has their own style, so always practice on fake skin first and adjust your settings according to your comfort and machine. If you're just starting your tattoo journey, don't skip this video. Watch the complete process carefully. Sometimes a small trick can save you from a big mistake. Every tattoo teaches something new, and every client helps us become better artists. By the end of the session, you'll see how this fierce tribal lion comes to life with bold black lines and powerful details. Trust me, this lion looks so confident. I think even the client's other arm is getting jealous. If you enjoyed this video or learned something useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Tattoo 18, and share this video with your tattoo-loving friends. Your support motivates me to create more tattoo tutorials, tips, and unique design ideas. And if you're interested in learning tattooing professionally, I offer both online and offline tattoo training. You can find my contact number in the description below. Feel free to reach out if you want to start your tattoo career or improve your skills. Thanks for watching. Keep creating amazing art, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next tattoo session. Until then, keep your lines clean, your shading smooth, and let your creativity roar like this tribal lion.